A Los Angeles judge ruled that coffee sold in California has to carry a cancer warning label because of a byproduct from the roasting process. They want the coffee industry to do what the potato chip industry did, which was to get the chemical out of their product. Now the coffee industry says they can't do that feasibly without making coffee taste bad. They say that the acrylamide that is found in coffee, they don't deny that it's there, but they say it's found in trace levels that wouldn't cause cancer. They also say that any risk from drinking coffee is outweighed by the benefits.
If it is in fact a cancer agent, that's something we should know, and that's something we should have the ability to consider when making decisions about what we put in our body.
Kind of ruin my good cup of coffee that I'm drinking. Every time I look down, I'm going to see this warning, and at the same time, like, well, I'm enjoying my coffee anyway. So it's a little discouraging, but I don't think it's going to stop me.